Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create ping monitoring tool in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes it becomes very important for IT System Administrator, so don't forget to watch full video. Suppose you are a network system administrator and you have a contract with some organizations to maintain their domain networks. Look, here some organizations and its IP address and their system administrator's phone number, and I have to maintain all these networks and its domain. I need to look for whether these domains are in online or not. If the domain networks are goes to offline, I need to contact with the phone number of administrator to troubleshoot this issue. Look, it is difficult for me to ping all these network IP addresses manually like this. So I need to make a ping monitoring tool in Excel to monitor those online status by one click. Now right click on empty area on your desktop and select new and then select Microsoft Excel workbook. Now give a name of your worksheet. I am giving the name is ping. Okay, now open the document. First of all, I need to bring developer tab here. So click on files, then click on options. Now click on customize ribbon. And look, the developer option is by default unchecked here. We have to click on developer option and then click OK. Now look, developer tab is visible right now. Now click on developer tab and look here, you will find a Visual Basic options and click on this button. Now click on insert and then click on module. Look, this is the location where you can write your program code. I have a program code written in a text file. I need to copy the code and paste the code here. I will give this code in description. You can copy and use this code for your purpose. Okay, now I am going to select all and copy. Now minimize this option and just paste it here. Okay, I have pasted all codes in here. Now minimize this and now I am going to prepare my ping monitoring tool. First, I am giving the title for organizations. I am typing here organization. Now typing here the IP address and then ping status, and in last column I will give phone number of IT executive. Okay, now I'm going to paste, copy and paste one by one organizations and its information. First of all, I am copying IP system admin and paste it here. Then I'm going to make the title bold. Now again go to the text file and copy the IP address of IT system admin. Now paste it in here and again select phone number and copy it. Now paste it in phone number column. Okay, again go to the text file and select another organization name, People and Tech, and copy it, and I'm going to paste it here and then copy its IP address and paste it in IP address column. Now copy the phone number and paste it in phone number column. Again copy the third organization name, iGlobal University, then its IP address, paste in IP address column. Now copy the phone number and paste it here. Now copy fourth one, PIIT, copy the IP address and paste it here. And paste the phone number. Now next one, VITM, paste here. Now copy its IP address now the phone number. The last name, IDBB show, copy it and paste it here. Now copy the IP address. And paste it. Now copy the phone number. And paste it. Look, this IP address must be public IP address. If you use private IP address here, your ping monitoring tool will not work at all. So be careful, you have to use public IP address here. Okay, now I need to create two buttons, one for start ping and another one for stop ping. To create it, click on insert. Now click on shapes. I'm going to select a shape for my button. Select a shape and first create a button. And now copy this button and paste here. Okay, I will use these two buttons, one for start ping and another one for stop ping. I need to give the name of button. So right click on the shape and click on edit. Now I am typing the name start ping. Okay, now select it and I'm changing the color of the text and now bold it and make the font size more large and make it center. Now right click on next button, click on edit. Now type stop ping. Select it and change the color and bold it and make it large and make it center. Okay, I have created two buttons here. If you do not make stop ping button, ping will continue up to your system shutdown and this Excel file will running for long time. It will make your computer very slow. That's why I must use stop ping button to stop the ping. Now right click on start ping button and click on assign macro. Now select ping system. You have to select ping system to start the ping and continue the ping. Okay, select ping system and then click on OK. Now right click on stop ping button and click on assign macro and now select stop ping to stop the ping here and click on OK. Now I need to save this file. Click on File and click on Save As, and I am selecting the location desktop and give the file name. My file name is ping, and click on Save As Type and select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. Select Macro Enabled Workbook. This is mandatory. You have to select this. Okay, now click on Save. Look, this is just a warning for you. No need to worry about it. Just click on OK. Now you have to close this Excel workbook. Look, this is my original ping file which I have created earlier, and this is my macro enabled workbook. Okay, now I have to open this macro enabled ping workbook. Open it. Look, this is a warning message. Macro enabled workbook is disabled. Now click on enable content. Macro enabled content is enabled right now. Now I am going to click on start ping. Look, the status is online for some organizations and one organization's status is offline, and each status, ping status is blinking right now. That means ping is continuing, still continuing. Okay, now I am going to click on stop ping. Look, blinking is stopped right now, and the status is idle here. That means ping is stopped. Again, I am going to start the ping, and look, the ping status is blinking. That means ping is continuing. Look, one of my organization is still offline. Again, I am going to stop the ping. Look, blinking is stopped, and a message is showing that idle. Idle means now ping is not continuing. If you find a site offline, you can call to the IT administrator of the site to troubleshoot these issues. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.